Hey everyone, Kyle Schuster. I'm the co-founder of Autobound. Today I'm showing you how the snippet editor works to create content and add more specific messaging to your library. So first of all, I'm in an acquisition campaign and I'm going to be working with this pitch snippet right here. So as before, you open the editor with this button. You see this new pane pop out from the right-hand side. Starting from the top of this list here, what you can see is there's this new snippet template box that allows me to modify content and actually choose whether I want to insert this content into the email or not by just toggling this check mark. So I might want to have a snippet that sends to this person specifically, but I also might want to save a slightly different version of this snippet to my library, possibly with some more generic messaging and variables in there that I can reuse for the future campaigns that are similar to this. So that is the first feature on here. The next thing you'll see here is a redesign to the way rules are applied to snippets. So they're broken down in these nice little collapsible boxes, and we'll just start from the top here where we can see that the current rule applied right now is an acquisition rule. But you also see down here active news events that are firing for this contact. This is telling me what news event is available for me to apply. And you might have guessed it, this check mark means yes, it is actually applied right now. Let's check out another situation. So custom insight rules. On the left-hand side of the screen here, I'll move this. We always have the ability to see what insights are firing for this contact at any given moment. And as you see right here, those insights are also appearing as firing insights for this contact that I can apply as rules. And only one that's applied right now is this job opening one SDRs. But I could apply any of these and it would still be eligible to be inserted into this campaign, just so I have an idea of what I can actually potentially use for future situations like this. So let's go through an exercise where I am going to use the entirety of this functionality. So this campaign is specifically talking about SDRs. What if I want to create a snippet that actually says hiring sales roles that might work for either SDRs or account executives, depending on whether either of those being suggested. So the first thing I'm going to do is not insert this in the email because I like the snippet that I have right here specific to SDRs. But I'm going to build a rule here that says SDRs or account executives, just like that. And you can see I can easily remove these rules or not. And I can also use and functionality if I want to say it has to be SDRs or account executives and some other rule, which I'm not going to apply right now. But you can see here that this check mark says it's now been applied. And if we look at the personal rules, head of sales, this looks pretty good. So now what I'm going to do is simply go ahead and save as new. Great. You'll see it didn't get inserted here, and that is how you use this new functionality. Thanks for watching.